The fuck? So this is that camera that I'm talking about. I think it looks pretty sick, but I'm gonna pretty much be getting some rear spats that are gonna go right there. It should make the bumper kind of stick out a little more. It's all dirty though right now, but it's gonna make that look aggressive. And then I'm also gonna be doing the side skirts right there in the front. This is pretty much what it looks like right now, and hopefully in a few hours it looks a lot better than how it looks now. Am I the only one that gets bothered by the blinker noise? I literally hate that noise. It's so annoying in my opinion. I hate it. I'm gonna just take it. That thing's nice. It's a nice Jeep. I like that color for sure. Oh, is he trying to run it? Oh. Okay, he just kind of cut me off. But hey, we're on our way home right now. We just got done picking up the parts, and it's time to pretty much put this whole entire build together. So. We got that flocky. He probably got hit by a biker, huh? What'd you guys think? This dude, yo, what the hell? This guy definitely got his rear view hit by a biker, bro. He just cut me off hella. That's crazy. All right, so I got the parts right here. I got the side skirt extensions right here. This is I think the driver's side or the left side, and then this is the other side. And then I also got the rear spats in here. I'm gonna just unbox this real quick. So alright, so literally complete change of plans. I'm gonna just be doing the rear spats that I got today because there was some issue that I had with the side skirts. I unpackaged them and there was some damage on them. So I'm gonna contact the manufacturer that I got them from, and I'm gonna see if I could get a new set. But we're not gonna let that stop us. I'm gonna still do the rear spat and see how it comes out. Look at how dirty that is. Crazy. Before and then after. Alright, so we back at the spot. This is how the Supra looks right now. It does look kind of awkward without the side skirts, but once the side skirts go on, that's just gonna look pretty nice. I already think it looks nice, but that's how the spats make the car look. It looks a lot better, to be honest. It just makes it look a lot more aggressive. Like I said, this fitment, the fitment on this side is a lot better than the other side, but it's because I have to adjust the other side. So, but for what it is, this isn't too bad. So. fit me, I'm not gonna lie. But let me know what y'all think. Nah, it looks clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love how this car looks now. But yeah. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just end the video right here. Let me know what y'all think about the sides, the rear spats. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it this far, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate that a lot. So, but yeah, peace out, y'all.